In this video, I'm going to show you how to become QuickBooks certified. So the first thing you want to do is go to their website, which is quickbooks.intuit.com/accountants. And then once you're on here, you want to hover over training and resources. And over here under training and certification, it says certification. And this is where you can actually become QuickBooks certified. So click on that. And then from here, once this page loads up, there we go, it says QuickBooks certification, show you're a pro. You want to click on get started. And from here, you want to see over here, it will say we didn't find any accounting companies associated with this account. What you have to do is basically sign up with an account for QuickBooks. So in case you don't have an account yet, you will then have to sign up, but if you do, you'll simply have to sign in with that account. So for me, I'm going to click on sign up over here, because if you're doing this for the first time, you're likely going to have to do this. And from here, you will have to essentially select a plan for you and your business. So over here, you have 4 different plans you can choose from. And as you can see, you get a 30 days free trial. So over here, just pick one that suits you the best. And then you want to click on choose plan. And then you want to essentially click one of these if you wanted the payrolls. And then after that, you will go through checkout. Now, once you go through checkout, you'll then be able to sign into your account. And from there, it will take you through the course to essentially become QuickBooks certified. Now, this will require you to basically fill out some tests and different questionnaires, and after you do this, they will essentially determine if you can become QuickBooks certified, and if not, I believe you can reapply after taking some different lectures and being more educated on the subject. So over here, that's the first step you have to do, and after you do this, you will have to, of course, take the tests, and then you'll have the ability to become QuickBooks certified. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.